Hey, what's going on? Garrett Barry here. Chances are you're watching this video because you're looking for the best affiliate marketing strategy. Maybe you've been doing affiliate marketing lately, or you're thinking about starting it, and you just want to know the best formula and method to predictably and easily make as many affiliate sales and money as fast as possible. Well, you're in the right place because I've been doing affiliate marketing full time for the last 5 years. I've tried a lot of different strategies. I've seen where people struggle, especially if they're brand new. And I'm gonna share with you the easiest strategy I personally believe to get results as soon as possible. So what you wanna understand is when it comes to affiliate marketing, what we wanna do is find people that are interested in buying the product that we're promoting. And then when we refer those people to that, that's how we actually get paid, right? So my top strategy to do this is something called content marketing. Now, if you don't know what content marketing is, basically it's where you create a piece of content and you post this online. Now, the content can be in a lot of different forms of media. This could be a video, this could be text, okay, like in a blog post or an article. This could be a podcast in the form of an audio. Okay, so there's a lot of different ways you can create content. And you don't even have to create the content yourself. You can actually pay someone on like a Fiverr.com to actually create that content for you. But the beautiful thing about this is, especially if you're someone that wants more passive income, maybe you don't like talking to a lot of people, you don't want to pick up the phone, you want more passive income with affiliate marketing. Content that you put out there online will stay out there as long as that website, exists, right? So, for example, for me, I liked doing video, okay? I recommend the content that you choose to put out there is something that you enjoy. If you want to create the content yourself, you don't want to pay someone else to do it, I highly recommend you pick something that you enjoy. Maybe you like taking pictures, okay? Well, you can start putting out content on Instagram, okay? The picture is content. The picture and the text underneath that picture, that is a content piece that will start to allow you to make sales with affiliate marketing. And I'm gonna get more in depth as you keep watching in this video with this strategy. So basically you put out a piece of content. Now this content needs to be very specific, okay? A lot of people, they just put out content all willy-nilly, and they have no intention on this is actually gonna make me money. What type of content do you wanna put out there? Well, again, it starts with what product are you promoting? So for example, let's say you're promoting a product that teaches people how to lose weight. It's a training product. Well, what you wanna do is you wanna understand that people that would be buying that affiliate product are interested in losing weight. Okay, this may seem obvious, but most people overlook this. So the problem that that person has is that they're overweight and they want information on how to lose weight. So what you can do with content is you can actually put out content pieces teaching people a little bit on how to lose weight. And what this will do is, let's say you create a blog post teaching, 5 tips to lose weight. People are gonna go to Google, they're gonna come across your article, they're gonna say, hey, I wanna lose weight, I see this article teaching me how to lose weight. And what is gonna happen when they ingest that content is they're gonna come to know, like, and trust you, okay? People buy from people they know, like, and trust. When was the last time you bought a product from someone that you didn't even know, right? Chances are you found someone that you knew, like, and trusted online and you bought through that specific person. Well, when you create an article or a video or a podcast, people are gonna come to know, like, and trust you because you're sharing value, valuable information that's gonna help them solve their problem. And then what we want to do at the end of that piece of content is a call to action. Okay, now a call to action is basically a phrase or a little mini elevator pitch to get people to go to our affiliate website. Okay, whether this is a capture page to capture your prospect's email address and follow up through email messages, or this is just directly to your affiliate sales page. Either way, we want to give a call to action at the end of our content to check out that page. So for example, a very simple structure you can do is basically, again, teach people some tips that are involved in the topic or niche that the product you're promoting is in. That's gonna get people to actually find you, okay? This is gonna allow you to attract people like bees to honey. If you're sick and tired of maybe going out there, maybe you've been taught to message people directly and do a lot of chasing, this is gonna allow you to come to, have people come to you. In this video, right, teach people how to master affiliate marketing, how to create money on autopilot. And if you're watching this video, then the very strategy that I'm sharing with you worked because you found me, right? You came to this video and you're watching this video. So this definitely works. Now, again, to give an example of a call to action, the structure is basically if, then, okay? If, then. So let me give you an example. Let's say, again, the article was sharing some tips on how to lose weight. At the very end of the article, you could say something like, so if you enjoyed learning my top 5 tips to lose weight, if you enjoyed learning my top 5 ways to make money, my top 3 ways to gain muscle, whatever you're doing, if you enjoyed that, then be sure to get access to my free video sharing, way more information on how to lose weight. Or then be sure to get access to my free video showing how to quickly build, 10 pounds of muscle. Whatever that sales page is that you're promoting, whatever affiliate sales page or product you're actually promoting, that's what you're gonna be talking about at the end of that piece of content. So again, I'll do an example. Let's say it's, again, gaining muscle. You could give some tips on how to gain muscle. Now, you may real quick though wonder, Garrett, I don't know how to gain muscle, or I don't know how to lose weight, or whatever the product it is that you're promoting. Not to worry, you can simply go to Google or YouTube, watch a video or two, read a couple articles, and then put it in your own words, okay? Most content out there is actually rehashed and people are kind of saying the same stuff. There's not a lot of new material, but people like hearing from you specifically, okay? So you want to put it in your own words, and then at the end, again, let's say how to build muscle. I could say something like, so if you enjoyed learning these 6 tips to gain muscle fast, be sure to grab my free video revealing, how to pack on 6 pounds of muscle, or again, whatever the headline on that sales page is, whatever the selling point, that's what you can actually reference. And the free video that you're sharing with people is basically the sales video, okay? So this is the strategy that I've personally used the last 5 years. Students from all over the world that have worked with me have used the same strategy. You put out content, valuable content, people find it, okay? And then at the very end of that content, you share some tips, and then towards the end, you just say if then. Hey, if you enjoyed learning this and then you wanna learn more, go to this website, okay? Very, very effective. So what I wanna share with you, my friend, is if you liked this video, be sure to click the like button right now, because that's gonna tell me you want me to make more videos like this, sharing my top affiliate marketing strategies. Also, I wanna share with you that I have a free training webinar. If you're someone that is maybe newer to affiliate marketing, or you're just struggling to truly hit your income goal, I want to invite you to that free training webinar at the link in the description. That's gonna share with you my top recommended affiliate program to dominate when it comes to making affiliate sales, as well as how to get access to a totally done for you system that has all the capture pages, all the follow-up emails, all the high paying products built in, and then you can just start creating content and sending the call to action to that system to literally wake up to thousands of dollar commissions, as you'll see proof of on that webinar, okay? So thanks so much for watching, my friend, and I will see you on my next video.